Things have changed in the world of marketing. I like to consider two types of communication, broadcast to engagement, and two types of marketing, relationships and content. Businesses might find that some prefer relationship marketing and others prefer content marketing. Whichever works best will influence how you use the social media tools that you have selected. In the old days, marketing was all about broadcasting content. Businesses would use radio, TV and adverts to shout out how good they were. This then moved on to individuals broadcasting about themselves through the use of CVs and face-to-face networking. Businesses also started using social media to talk about how wonderful they were, and some businesses still do this. Eventually, people realised that it was much better to have a conversation and build a relationship with people. Face-to-face networking is a very successful way of building relationships, and social media is simply an online version of this. You should listen to your customers, reply to them, and find out more information about them, including their pain. Social media is all about people. Tools that work here are individual accounts on Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, and Facebook. An alternative is to create loads of useful content to build the credibility and awareness of the brand. Content can be created via blogs, videos, newsletters, webinars, white papers, ebooks, etc. The social media accounts of the business are very good to share this information. So a LinkedIn company profile, Twitter, a Google page and Facebook page can be used to share the information and get the word out there. Content needs to be created regularly, probably weekly in some format or other if you're going to use content marketing well. The decision to focus more on relationship marketing or more on content marketing will depend on the type of business and the individuals within the business. The more time that is spent doing whichever is chosen, the more successful your social media marketing is likely to be. In this course, we will look at using individual LinkedIn profiles to build relationships, as well as a company LinkedIn profile to create and share content.